Hey guys, I want to show you another property. We bought this one in Bedford, Ohio. This one's going to rent right at $1,250 a month. There's a little bit of repairs here, but we're doing a couple things in here that's kind of different. And we keep things really low cost on our stuff as far as future. And so we're going to poly these floors, of course. You can see we got the gray, nice paint in here. They all pretty much look the same, and the reason I do that is because we get better deals. We always put new toilets in. I have a gentleman that does this. He's going to spray this. It's going to look brand new. All this will look brand new. It's like 600 bucks, and it lasts for 10 years. It's almost like a car paint. It's a 3-part, a 4-part. But what I really like about this particular house that was kind of a nice touch was this back room. It's really a big room. So it's tandem. So it runs through the bathroom and this particular room. So what do you do with it, you know? There's no closet here or anything like that. So this would be more like a family room. And you can shut this door and you got a private bedroom, or you can walk through here. So it's a really nice addition to it. It might get me a little more rent. And then you have another bedroom here. So you always have, on these houses, you always have 2 on the first floor with a bathroom. Now, what we do on these is we don't like carpet. Carpet's not good. Carpet wears out and you're going to eventually have to replace it. So we use this stuff. It's a 100% waterproof flooring. So you can see right there. And it's got a rubber back on it. Nice thick. It's got I think it's 8 to 10 years. You can see this used to have carpet. There's the strips. But yeah, this is easy to clean. So when you move, when a tenant moves out in a year or two, then wow, we're not going to have to come up here and redo this flooring, because flooring is usually your biggest cost in a house. So you're better off to go with this vinyl if you're going to rent it. It's even good for selling it. I mean, it's just a nice looking. You can see where it matches the paint and all that. So we want to make sure we get that. And we always put new toilets in. Plumbing is always your biggest issue in these. So just always want to have a professional come in and look at the plumbing, snake it, make sure all the drains work properly, all that. With this one, we are going to be putting in a new water heater. So this one was just old. It still probably works, but we don't want to deal with it when the tenant gets in here. So we just bought a new one. This one will last, 10 years. And so that's good. And then there's a drain here. There's some water coming out. I'll get to figure that out, but it's not a big deal. And you can see here, this is a federated box, which everybody's going to tell you replace, which is true. But you really don't need to replace it until you sell the place. So we're going to leave it there because it works fine. And it's all good. So when you're renting a place, you're looking for the maintenance stuff that's going to break down. You're going to look for the flooring that's going to hold up. And you're just going to get these done for as reasonable as you can, but you want them to look as good as they can. And that's what we do. And we also have a great team of contractors that really help us get all this stuff put together. And with the wood floors, we'll clean and poly these, and they'll look beautiful. So this is kind of a little thing. We do put new blinds, and we always put new plugs and switches in. So when you're doing a rental property, make sure it's in a great location. Make sure you know the rents, and the only thing Zillow is good for, in my opinion, is rents. You can go in there and look and see what stuff is renting for. And if you notice, go for the highest amount always, and get that taken care of. So anyway, if you're wanting to get into rental properties in the Cleveland metro area, we have purchase, rehab, leasing, and I partnered up with my wife, who has a property management company. And we basically take care of all of it. So you don't have to leave our company. And that's what's the benefit of that, is that you know where to go when you have an issue, or if you want another property or any questions. So call me. I'm Brent with Fathom Realty. I've been doing investment real estate since 1985. And I've been a realtor for 22 years, done over 1,000 plus properties. 216-703-5740. If you're over the pond or in some place you want to use WhatsApp, I'm on there too. 216-703-5740. Thanks. Like and subscribe if you would, please. Thank you.